In this tutorial, we're going to be using layers, and we're going to have text and motion. So we have our clips ready. We got a background. We got 1, 2, 3 movie clips and some music for the background. So we'll open up Final Cut Express and start a new project. We'll save that project. And we'll import our files. And so let's put our background in first. In Final Cut, like Photoshop, we have layers. And we have video layer 1, video layer 2. And if we want a clip to end up in a layer, we just put a little source tab here where we want the clip to land. So let's start with this video clip, take it over, and drop it on top. So now we have one layer on top of another layer. The problem with that is that that layer covers the other layer. So we can make it smaller. And we can also cut with this tool. So there we have one layer on top of the other layer. So let's do the same thing. We want a new layer. So we can control click that one, or right click it, and add a track. Once again, we want our video to be up here, so we have to put our little tab up there, and then we'll put another video on top of that one. Do the same thing. Actually, we could have. We'll resize this one. We'll put another one on top of that one. Control click it, add a new layer. We'll add video 3. Now we have 3 videos. And one on top of the other. So we can select the videos and move them wherever we want. And what I want for this video, I'll make it smaller so you can see what I'm doing. We'll take each video and we'll put it into its own corner. So let's say we want to start with video 1. We'll double click that, send it up into the viewer, and in here there's a motion tab. We'll just click that motion tab, and to move a video we click the starting point. It's called a keyframe, and we'll just click that keyframe for center. Now for any motion to occur there has to be time that passes. So put this is our time. That one to end up there. We'll double click on the next one. And we'll click center again. And move it forward again. And then we'll click on this one too. Click the center there. And we'll move it forward. And we'll have this one slide in. And now we just need a title. So let's click another layer and move our tab up here so that the layer ends up here. And we'll go back to effects and we'll choose a video generator. And notice here we've got a bunch of them, but we want text. So let's just use text. We'll double click on text. And we can call this whatever we want. And let's make it 3. Like this. Select that. We can change here our font. We can change color. We can do anything we want here. So let's put that on top. And we'll select it. We'll just move it over here into our space. And there we go. So let's say we want our text to fade in. Everything else we've got coming in like this. But we want our text to fade in. So what you can do down here, you can just hit your rubber band tool, use your pen tool, and your text will slowly fade in. Last thing we want to do, let's add our music. Go back to this tab. Set our in points and our out points. And drag in the music. And that's all there is to it. And watch our movie.